Don't just trade carelessly. Don't trade foolishly. Don't just trade because you're seeing no, you have to make sure that you wait for your opportunities. First of all, you have to first of all preserve your capital. You wait for your setup. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA Forex. So I want to give you guys one of the most important, and to me that's one of the best forex strategy of the year 2023, and I'm going to look for what happened last year. If you guys know what happened last year, Morocco reached the semi-finals of the World Cup as the first African team. You know what I'm saying? Wakanda forever. So I got a very important strategy, and this is one of the strategies which I see people talk about, but very few people actually implement these strategies in their forex trading. And I will say this strategy has nothing to do with technical analysis. You got everything to do with your psychology and also your mindset. Trade forex like the Moroccan team, if you know what I'm saying. So if you saw what Morocco did in the World Cup, you will know that the reason why they got to that level in the World Cup is because of their defense. The number one goal of forex trading is not to make money, is to preserve your money. Okay, like you're going into the market with people that are smarter than you, people who are more intelligent than you, and are trying to take your money. People don't even know where the money is coming from in the forex market. They think, okay, they just have to like click buy, click sell, and make money. No, you're trading against people that are smarter than you, and these guys know exactly how to get your money. So your number one goal in forex trading is not to make money, is to preserve your money. You have to go in with a defensive mindset, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, the reason why 95% of traders lose their money is because they're going in with an offensive mindset. They're trying to just make money by all means, and they're chasing trades, chasing like doing some stupid stuff, not putting their stop loss, doing some crazy things. They don't even know what they're even doing in the first place. That's why most people lose money in the market. But if you're going into the market with a defensive mindset, knowing fully well that you're going into the market not to make money, but to preserve your money first, then see if you can make money. Okay? That is the goal that I want you guys to put in your mind. If you want to become successful in forex trading in this year, particularly this 2023, there's a lot of money to be made this year, and I want you guys to become successful. And one of my goals is to help people to become millionaires in this industry. So guys, this is very important. It's a very important mindset that I want people to get into forex trading in this particular year. If you really want to club out of that vast majority of people that lose their money, people blow their accounts because they don't even know what they're doing, if you know what I'm saying. So you're going into the forex market with a mindset of trying to preserve your capital. Then you look for opportunities. If you don't see any opportunity, you don't trade. If you see an opportunity, you throw your shots and you trade. That is what the Moroccan team did during the World Cup finals. That's how they got to the semi-finals. They were so defensive. They were so impenetrable. Like, they will not allow the market to take their money. They will not allow the bankers to take their money. They will not allow the traders to take their money. You have to preserve your money. If you have $1,000, preserve your money. If you have $10,000, preserve your money. Look for opportunities, but you have to go in with a defensive mindset. That was how the Morocco were able to win, to get to the level of the semi-finals. Even though they lost the semi-finals, but it was a very, very good tactic, because like it has changed the realm of football, if you know what I'm saying. So for forex traders, we have to use the same mindset, especially for those that wants to become successful in this business. Don't just trade carelessly. Don't trade foolishly. Don't just trade because you're seeing no, you have to make sure that you wait for your opportunities. First of all, you have to first of all preserve your capital. You wait for your setup, and when you have a setup, you have to make sure that you throw in. That's why risk management is very important. Like they always say, you're not supposed to risk more than 1% of your account. Like you're seeing what these guys are doing, right? You have to preserve your capital first. Wait for the opportunities. If you see an opportunity, you now risk a little percentage of your account, hoping that you can get X amount of results. And you have to make sure that you follow the risk to reward ratio. You don't want to risk money if you don't have a good reward at the end of the day. So this is actually the mindset of the Moroccans, and that's what I want you guys to get into the market with this. It's not about your strategy. Forget about your strategy, because there are many strategies that work in the market. There are so many strategies. You have the demand supply, you have the trend line, you have the RSI, you have all kinds of strategies that are out in the market. Use any strategy that you want to use but make sure you test your strategy and make sure that it's a good strategy. But you have to come in with a mindset of not trying to lose money. Of course, sometimes you have to risk some money, right? But if you're always going to be risking your money, then you fail long term in the forex market. Preserve your capital. Preserve your capital first of all. Look for opportunities. If you see opportunities, then now you can do your risk to reward risk management. I can throw in your shots. If you're successful, it's good. If you're not successful, at least you will not lose X amount of money from your account. I'm gonna wait until I see my opportunities. Okay, I will defend my money. I'll preserve my money first of all. I will wait until I see an opportunity. Then if I see an opportunity, just like what the Moroccans did, they were scoring like 1 or 2 goals, that's it. If they have an opportunity, they will score. If they don't have any opportunity, they will come and defend and remain in the defense till the match comes to an end, if you know what I'm saying. So if I see an opportunity in the market, okay, I'll risk X amount of my account. If it goes well, good, I'll make some profits, and that's it. I come back to my defense. I defend my money. Then if I see another opportunity in the future, I'll make X. You're not trying to get rich quick. You're trying to preserve your capital. Then if you have an opportunity, you get into the market. If you come in, if you're going with that mindset, long term you'll be successful. But if you want to go in with the mindset of just going full offensive, just attacking carelessly, chasing trades and doing all the things that you see on YouTube, people are just risking their money carelessly, you'll find yourself in a losing trade. So with that said, what do you think about this video? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.